The GE TF136020 breaker might be challenging to locate directly due to its age. Instead of focusing solely on finding that exact model, explore the possibility of using a suitable replacement breaker. Several vendors in the Los Angeles area specialize in electrical equipment and may be able to assist. Firstly, Power Equipment Company, located at 412 South Hewitt Street, Los Angeles, California 90013, can be reached at area code 213-622.3101. Secondly, Wesco Electrical Products, with an address at 3000 East Gage Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90065, can be contacted at area code 323-235.111. Thirdly, Granger, situated at 2350 West Jefferson Boulevard, Los Angeles, California 90018, has a phone number of area code 800-472.4643. Fourthly, Industrial Electric Supply, Wires, located at 630 South Anderson Street, Los Angeles, California 90023, has a phone number of area code 323-263.3000. Fifthly, Rexel, at 1801 South Grand Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90015, can be reached at area code 213-746.8300. These vendors may have compatible breakers or be able to source them for you. Now, turning to the shaft and accessories needed to trip the breaker from outside the Motor Control Center MCC cubicle, consider contacting specialized suppliers. Firstly, Enclosed Breaker Services (EBS) can be contacted at area code 800-424.876. Secondly, Circuit Breaker Warehouse is another potential source. Their phone number is area code 800-931.7456. When selecting a replacement breaker, shaft, and accessories, it's crucial to prioritize compatibility and safety. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical engineer to determine the exact specifications required for your specific application. The electrician can assess the existing motor control center, the load requirements of the new power mini zone, and any applicable electrical codes to ensure that the replacement breaker and accessories are suitable and safe. The electrician will also ensure that the breaker is correctly sized for the 7.5 kV amps mini power zone. Breaker sizing involves calculating the full load current flow of the load and selecting a breaker with an appropriate ampacity. For a single-phase 7.5 kV amps load at, say, 240 volts, the full load current is calculated as follows: kilovolt amps times 1000 divided by the voltage. So, 7.5 times 1000 divided by 240 volts equals 31.25 amps. The selected breaker should have an ampacity of at least 31.25 amps. However, it's common practice to upsize the breaker slightly to account for potential overloads and inrush currents. A 40 amp breaker might be a suitable choice in this case. However, the specific requirements of the load and any applicable codes should be considered. The electrician will also verify the interrupting rating of the replacement breaker. The interrupting rating is the maximum short circuit current that the breaker can safely interrupt. It's essential that the breaker's interrupting rating is equal to or greater than the available fault current at the point of installation. The available fault current can be determined through a fault current study, which an electrical engineer can perform. The National Electrical Code, NEC, provides guidance on selecting breakers with appropriate interrupting ratings. The electrician will also ensure that the replacement breaker has the necessary features for remote tripping. This typically involves a shunt trip mechanism, which allows the breaker to be tripped by an external signal. The shaft and linkage mechanism must be compatible with the breaker and the motor control center cubicle. The electrician can help select the appropriate components and ensure that they are properly installed. Given the age of the motor control center, it's important to carefully inspect the existing equipment for any signs of damage or deterioration. The electrician can identify any potential problems and recommend appropriate repairs or upgrades. It is also crucial to ensure that all work is performed in accordance with applicable electrical codes and safety standards. The National Electrical Code (NEC) provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations. The electrician will be familiar with these codes and ensure that the work is performed safely and correctly. When installing the replacement breaker, the electrician will follow proper procedures for energizing the circuit, installing the breaker, and testing its operation. This includes verifying the breaker's trip settings and ensuring that the remote tripping mechanism functions correctly. After the installation is complete, the electrician will provide documentation of the work performed, including the breaker's specifications, the test results, and any other relevant information. This documentation will be helpful for future maintenance and troubleshooting. In summary, finding a direct replacement for the GE TF136020 breaker might be difficult, but a suitable replacement can be found with the help of qualified vendors and an experienced electrician. The electrician will ensure that the replacement breaker is compatible with the existing equipment, meets the load requirements, and is installed safely and correctly. Remember to prioritize safety and compliance with applicable electrical codes throughout the process.